All right. This is cause number 2021 CR 9498, the state of Texas versus Isaiah Dominguez. Attorneys, please make your announcements for the record.
Yes, Your Honor. Luis Echeverria for the state of Texas.
Edward Adams for Isaiah Dominguez.
Mr. Dominguez is appearing by video conference. Go ahead and tell me your full name, sir.
Isaiah Anthony Dominguez.
Mr. Dominguez, the state has filed a true bill of indictment alleging the offense of possession of marijuana, 4 ounces, but less than 5 pounds. I'm going to show you the indictment if my computer will cooperate. I'm showing you the indictment on the screen. Do you understand the charge that you have this afternoon?
Yes.
Are we proceeding as charged, state?
We are, Your Honor. Yes.
State jail felony, Mr. Dominguez. It is punishable by confinement in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, the state jail felony facility for any period between 6 months and 2 years confinement. It also carries a possible fine of up to $10,000. Do you understand the range of punishment that applies?
Yes.
You have the right to a jury trial. You have the right to cross-examine the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent. Those are your constitutional rights. Do you understand those?
Yes.
When you sign the document that I have on the screen, it's called the court admonishments. What you're telling me is that you want to give up those rights. Is that what you intend to do?
Yes.
Is this your electronic signature here at the bottom above Isaiah Dominguez?
Yeah.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
If you were not a citizen, I'm still required to tell you that a plea of guilty or no contest to this charge could result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Mr. Dominguez, are you satisfied with the representation of your attorney?
Yes.
Mr. Adams, does your client have a rational and factual understanding of the proceedings against him?
Yes, Judge.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, he has.
In your opinion, is he mentally competent to waive his rights and enter into a plea?
Yes.
I will accept the waiver of rights and make it part of the record. Mr. Dominguez, on the screen, I have the agreement that you made. The agreement calls for a recommendation of deferred adjudication for a period of 4 years, $1,500 fine, $57 lab fee, TAP evaluation, and 150 hours community service. Is that your understanding of the agreement, Mr. Dominguez?
Yes.
Mr. Adams?
Yes, Judge, it is.
Mr. Echeverria?
Yes, Your Honor. It is.
What is your plea, Mr. Dominguez, to the charge of possession of marijuana, 4 ounces to 5 pounds? Is it guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Are you entering a plea of no contest because you have talked about this matter with your attorney and you believe it's in your best interest to do so?
Yes.
Are you doing this freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Anyone forced you to enter a plea?
No.
Has anyone offered you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
I will accept the plea of no contest. I find the plea is voluntarily made. And I will ask the state to tender its proof.
The state offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments pending any objection from Mr. Adams.
No objections.
State's 1 is admitted. Mr. Adams, are you satisfied the state complied with Article 3914?
Yes, I am.
I will sign the discovery acknowledgement and make it part of the record. Wait just a minute. Mr. Adams, I do have the Bexar County Gives Back program that your client can satisfy the 1,500 community service hours. If he wants to sign up for the program, it's 4 Saturdays of community service, and he knocks everything out. On those.
Oh, okay, and it takes care of all 150 hours on the community service? Will
Yeah.
probation explain that to him or, okay.
Interested to be looked. Give me just a minute, please. Let's go back on the record, please. Mr. Dominguez, I do find that the evidence is sufficient to substantiate your guilt. I'm not going to make any other findings. I will grant the application for deferred adjudication for a period of 4 years. There's a $1,500 fine, $57 lab fee. We're going to do a TAP evaluation and 150 hours community service. And if you want to participate in Bear County Gives Back, you are eligible to do that. This is a plea bargain case. I did follow your plea bargain agreement, so you do not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
I need you to go into a breakout room with the probation department so they can go over your conditions with you.
Okay.
Thank you. After you're done with probation. Mhm.
Judge may be excused.
Yes, sir, Mr. Adams, thank you.
Thank you.
I said recall for bond forfeiture. I haven't heard back from Christopher Simpkins.
All the bond forfeitures I have are Roberto Tamez, Layla Sutherland Trevino, Pablo Garza.
Yeah, those are the 3 I have. Sutherland, it's Sutherland. Yeah, on Thomas, I think I had already signed the surety to surrender. So the bond issue is already, I don't need to issue a bond forfeiture. I'll just make the note surety surrender. Melinda, can you make sure that that was part of the stack I handed you?
That's what I'm checking, Judge.
What date did I give Turner? April 25th? Ashley?
I do have that affidavit surety, Judge.
Yeah, I signed them, right?
Yes, yes, you did.
And
Yes, Judge, 425 for Turner.
so I guess I'm just waiting on the plea packet for Orth. And then Ross Rodriguez, we need his presence. Actually, the documents you sent me for 2020, I thought those were 2019.
It's what I had saved, Judge. I'm just sending you what I had.
Yeah, I think those trial dates were in 2019, not 2020. Interesting, the two that went to the jury for punishment were not guilty in 2021. And then Bobby Martinez was mandatory minimum 25. Then LaSalde got to get on probation. Jury mistrial. Thank you for that. You forgot the retrial on Arredondo Brayton. I'll fix it.
Okay. Hey, Ash, can you put me and Denise in a room, please? Denise, if you're ready or available, excuse me.
Yep.
Cool.
What did Arredondo Brayton get? 35? I, I